Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I want to have some fun with some of these sandwich and snack bags that I have. I can't still go out because of this stinking virus. But anyway, I'm scrolling through stuff and I came upon this project. I really don't know who the original person was that ever made it because it was on Pinterest. It's been pinned and pinned and pinned, and it really doesn't, I can't find whoever was original because I'd love to give them full credit for this because this is like awesome. So we're going to make some really pretty snowflakes, and you can make these for a party. These will be great in a classroom, a school party, any kind of party, a church party, whatever. It would look so pretty, and you guys are not going to believe how easy these are. So I actually ordered some. Like I said, I can't go anywhere right now until I get rid of this virus. I ordered some of these white paper lunch bags. These are 5 by 2.95 by 9.45 white lunch bags, and I ordered these on Amazon, and I got 100 of these bags. So, I mean, you can find these lunch bags at Walmart or anywhere. You can get different colored ones, and I'm gonna do one with the colored snack bags from Dollar Tree because I think that one's going to be fun too. So you need 8 of these bags. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I was almost close. So these are just fun. And I don't remember exactly what this cost. I'll link this below if anybody's interested in these bags. But like I said, you can probably find these at, maybe Dollar General, your Walmart, whatever. Just these plain white little lunch bags. You guys know all about that. These are very thin. Some of the other ones, the ones that I had, I think these other ones were from Walmart. They were much thicker. All right, so you're going to take 8 of these bags, and then the first one I did not do this step, so I decided I'm going to do this step because it seems to look a little bit better. So you're going to take where you see the bottom piece here, you want them facing up on all of them that you're making. So you're going to take this little flap here, and I just want to glue this down because I did not do that with the first one, and it didn't say to on other people that did it either, but I think it looks better when you do that. And then you're going to put a line of glue across the top, and I'm using hot glue here, and then a line right down the center. And then you're going to take your next bag and glue it on the same way with that flat bottom piece up, facing up. And then I'm going to glue that little guy down here too. Now, if you wanted to do this with the kids, you could probably do this with like Elmer's glue, or whatever. You would just have to maybe set something on top of them and let them sit overnight. But that would be a really fun project to do with the kids. But the hot glue is the quickest way if you're making these for like a party. All right, and then just across the top. Whoa, that wasn't even close to the center. Hopefully that'll be okay. Down the center there. I'm sure it'll be fine. And then, yeah, I did do that part. All right. So let's get this batch here put together. You just want to make sure you get these lined up really good when you put them on. Glue that little flap down. I love easy projects, and this is so easy and it's just so cool looking. You guys will see here in a second how cool these really are. I was just amazed. I saw it, sometimes you see these things online and you're like, I'm going to try that. It doesn't always work out, but I'll tell you what, this is really cool. I would have been making these for years if I would have seen this before. But that's one thing about being sick. You're kind of watching stuff and seeing some new things and new ideas. All right, let's glue this down here. Almost there. And if you wanted, you could like add some glitter to these. You could just make these really pretty. I'm sure there's probably a way to do some lights or something too. But I haven't gotten that creative yet with them. All right, there's our last bag. And then we're just gonna glue that here. All right, so we're gonna let this cool down here for a second. And then you're just going to cut a design in it like you would with any other, I'm sure people have made these paper snowflakes out of other things before. I like to cut like a nice point. Hope these are my good sharp scissors. Good point at the top of it here. Doesn't have to be a point, but you know, snowflake-ish. If that makes sense. So I just gotta kind of cut these. These bags are a little bit thinner, so it wasn't too hard to cut through all these. You can kind of do them 4 at a time too if you want to separate it on the sides and just, you know, cut through 4 at a time. But I just cut that little point off there like that. And then, you know, you just cut in designs. Yeah, I was just going to do the simple, you know, regular, like little triangles. I'm going to do a big triangle up there. I didn't get through all of them here. Come on, there we go. And then I'll just do, maybe, get the scissors on my hand, a smaller triangle over here. And that's really all you need to do to make this beautiful snowflake. I measured these two, and now I can't even remember what it was. I think I have brain fog here from this being sick. I don't know. But I did just measure. I believe, if I correct, I'll measure it again. I think the bigger ones that I got at Walmart, the regular lunch bags, that one was like a 20-inch snowflake when it's all done. Come on. There we go. Oh no, I really cut that one not too well. Alright, get back in there. Like I said, you need a nice sharp pair of scissors. I should have just separated them and cut them 4 at a time. It would have been a little bit easier. Or you could cut them probably before you even glued them all together. There we go. All right, so that is that. I hope you're going to be able to see this all right here on my white background. I'm going to have to put something else down here so you can see them a little better. But anyway, after you do that, I got to find some paper clips. You just take one side of each of your snowflake and just open it up and put your back sides together. And look how gorgeous that snowflake is. I'm going to raise this up here now. I just wanted to have it closer so you could see how I made it. So let me pause this video here because I want to show you the other ones that I made with the patterned gift, or what are they called? Treat bags from Dollar Tree too. So let me raise this up here a little bit and I'll be right back. Oh, it's still up pretty close. But anyway, you get a better view of it here. I put some red material down on my table here so you can just see it better. Look how pretty these are. And then I put a paper clip. I had some of these white ones. You can get these at Dollar Tree too, or any paper clip. These are actually a little bit big. The smaller paper clips would probably work better. Of course, I can't find any of those right off my hand. But anyway, I opened it up and I just took, you know, the first bag and the last bag and clip it together, and then you could poke a little hole in here and hang it on a string if you wanted to hang it like from the ceiling or something. And they're not very heavy or anything, so I think they would hang really, really nice. But yeah, it's really hard. These are big. Like I said, this is 20 inches. So I did that one out of those bags. Then let's see. These were the same bags too. This one I just made some little circles in it when I cut it. I was actually going for a heart shape, but that didn't work out very well. But it doesn't matter, no matter what little cuts you make in there, they just come out. Well, it's almost a heart. Some of them look like a heart. There we go. Not too bad. But they're just so pretty. And how easy is that? Well, like I said, just take a paper clip, take your first bag and your last bag, clip it together at the bottom here, and then you could just punch a hole in the, you know, the top and just hang these. And I think these would be beautiful, like if they're having like a school dance or some kind of party or something. I mean, really inexpensive things. This one I just did with the 2 V shapes too, so that one's pretty similar. And I didn't cut them very neatly, but they still came out looking really nice with just the little V cuts in them. Alright, and then this one here, this was a little bit bigger. These lunch bags that I think, pretty sure I got these at Walmart a long time, I'm talking years ago, that I had in my craft stash. But these lunch bags seem to be a little bit bigger, so these would make a much larger snowflake. Yeah, this one's really big. I should measure this one. Where is my, here it is. Hang on, I'm gonna measure this one. I'm not sure what size these bags are, guys. Sorry, I don't have the thing for it, but Yeah, this one's about 22, 23 inches, just about. So they make really cool snowflakes. Now, this one I did with, they get these packs, they have these at Dollar Tree right now, and they have 10 bags in each one. So if you bought if you bought 8 bags, you could make, yeah, if you bought 8 of these, you could make 9 of them. So there you go. I have to do math. My brain's not working today, so it's hard to do math. But I figured, I'm just sitting here chilling out doing nothing. I'm going to play around with these things that I never seem to get to. But yeah, I did that. I glued 8 of these little guys together, same way, just with all the backs facing up, and then I did it in there, and I think this is going to look really cute too. So let's open this guy up here. Let's see what that looks like. And I just, again, tried to do a little half a heart here, seeing if it was going to open up and look like a heart shape. Not the best heart, but it's not bad. But look how pretty this is. This would make a beautiful decoration. Look at that with the snowmen in there. Isn't that adorable? And like I said, they're all made the same way. Just depends on how you cut them. I love this one. I think I am actually going to make a few more of these to hang around at Christmas time, because these are very, very festive, and they're not just, plain white. You could hang these, maybe just make one of these and hang them in with your other ones. And, find smaller bags, make different sizes. I just think this will be a lot of fun to decorate, if you're having some sort of holiday party, or if you just want to make your house real festive for Christmas. But that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I'm going to go back out and just chill out for the rest of the day and not do too much of anything and try to get rid of this virus. And hopefully next week I can get back out to the Dollar Tree and go shopping, because I want to go. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.